is hungry. Let's make a yummy breakfast for her. The egg is ready. Ta-da! Yum, 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 yum. Oh no! Don't cry, Mira. We can bake some cookies for Mama. Good idea! The cookies and milk are ready. Mama will like them. Thank you, Mira. My teeth are hurting. The cookie is too hard to chew. What happened, Mira? Mama didn't like the cookie. It baked too long and hard to chew. Don't worry, Mira. We can try something else. Idea! I will make noodles for Mama. Nice! Well done, Mira! Thank you, Peppa. Let's try the noodles. Ta-da! Too spicy! Oh no, it's too spicy. Mama cannot eat it. What do I do now? Mira, make a sandwich. Good idea. Yeah. The yummy sandwich is ready. Sandwich, my favorite. It's delicious. Thank you, Mira. My stomach aches. I need to take a pill. Maybe because it's a junk food. Mama ate the junk food and she is not feeling well. Don't be sad, Mira. I have an idea. Really? Yes. Let's make vegetable stew and fruit salad for Mama. Vegetables and fruits are healthy. But I don't have any fruits or vegetables. Hey, let's go to the farm. There are lots of vegetables and fruits there. Let's go! Apple! Orange! Eggplant! fruits and vegetables. Fresh apple, orange, grapes, watermelon, banana, tomato, eggplant, carrots, onions, and mushroom. Yay! It's time to cook a yummy and healthy vegetable stew. Let's cut the vegetables in half. Well done, Mira. Thank you, Peppa. Now it's time to make the fruit salad. Yay! I love fruit salad. Ta-da! Good job, Mira. It's done. Let's serve this tasty meal to Mama.
Healthy food. I love healthy food. It's delicious. Thank you, Mira.